Hello Eternal Team, here is my phone Amoi N828, which was bought in your shop and it doesn't work. Let's try to open back let's try to open this phone. How we can see, battery is inside it, SIM card and SD card is inside it. Let's try to switch it on. Here is the button, power button. Let's try to push it. Button is push it down, but nothing happened. Here is charger, Amoi charger. Let's try to charge this phone and switch it on again. How we can see, nothing happened again. I'm trying to switch it on, but nothing happened. But charger is everything okay with this charger. If you try to charge another phone, everything it will charge. It is charging. I've tried to charge it for 1 day, but nothing happened. I want to repair it, so I need some repair. That's all. Thank you very much.